In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fast forward part of video in Shotcut. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to speed up just a portion of a clip while keeping the rest at normal speed, so your edit looks clean and intentional. Start by opening your project and clicking the video clip on your timeline that includes the section you want to fast forward. Make sure the clip is selected, then move the playhead, the marker on your timeline, to the exact moment where you want the fast forward effect to begin. Take a second to play back and pause precisely on the frame you want. Zooming into the timeline can help you be more accurate. With the playhead in place, split the clip at that point. You can press the S key on your keyboard or click the split icon at the top of the timeline. Now move the playhead to the frame where you want the fast forward to end and split the clip again. After these two splits, you'll have three sections: the first part at normal speed, the middle part that will be sped up, and the last part which will return to normal. Click to select the middle section, the portion you intend to fast forward. Open the Properties panel by clicking Properties, or right-clicking the clip and choosing Properties. In the speed setting, change the value to 5x to make it play 5 times faster, then click Apply. You'll notice that the sped-up clip becomes shorter. That's expected because it's compressing time. This change will likely create a gap between the sped up middle section and the last section of your original clip. To fix that, simply drag the last section left until it snaps flush against the end of the middle section. This closes the gap and keeps your timeline continuous. Give it a quick preview, play through the transition into the fast-forwarded part and out of it to make sure it looks smooth. If timing feels a bit off, you can nudge your split points slightly by undoing and resplitting at more precise frames. Also keep in mind that speeding up a clip speeds up its audio too, which might create a choppy or high-pitched sound. Decide whether that suits your edit. And that's it. You now have a video with a targeted fast-forward section in Shotcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.